Naapela ang aktres at dating beauty queen na si Cindy Miranda sa publiko na bigyan naman ng pagkakataon si Zian Lim bilang isang direktor. Si Cindy ang bida sa latest horror flick na idinirect ni Zian ang Kumantong mula sa Viva Films kasama ang napakagaling na child actress na si Althea Ruedas at ang Thai actor na si Max Natapol. Aware si Cindy sa mga kanegahan na ibinabato ng mga bashers sa binata, kaya naman nakiusap siya na sana'y huwag naman siyang personalin dahil lamang sa mga kumakalat na chismis about sa personal life ni Zian. May kaugnayan pa rin ito sa breakup ni Zian at Kim Chiu at sa bagong jowa ng aktor na si Iris Lee na incidentally ay co-actor ng binata sa Kumantong. Saad ni Cindy, I really don't know about the issues because I'm not fan of social media but I've heard some things. I have friends telling me about it. For me, it's my first time to work with Direk Zian and napaka-cool po ng vibe, napaka-bagets. I'm not defending Zian, I don't know whatever issues are against him, I just wanna be honest. I don't want people to say that I am defending him. Todo tanggol, no. Even my co-actors would say that they never saw him getting angry or shouting at us. He calls me Miss Cindy when he could just call me Cindy. He could also offer me a chair if he saw me standing or hindi pa nag-start ang shoot. Kaya naman ang panawagan niya sa publiko, I hope that people will separate the issues from him being a director because we made the movie wala sa isip namin itong lahat ng issues na ito. Those issues are not part of this movie and sana po huwag po nilang idamay. He's all about works, so ihiwalay po nila. I hope they will give this movie a chance and see Zian as a director aside from whatever ng mga issues. As I've said, napakagaan ng set even though it's horror, very dramatic. It's like we're not doing a horror film because we didn't feel that anything mabigat from our director. Ibang-iba, bagets na bagets. You've seen his photos, his OOTD at nakaget up pa talaga siya kahit sobrang init. Ganon siya ka-inspired. And I think nakabuti po sa kanya na hindi ko alam kung in love ba siya or what in doing this film. He told to us earlier before we shot the film, dugot pawis daw yung binigay nila dito in writing the story. Kaya talagang naniniwala din po ako sa istorya ng Kumantong. Sa ngayon, paniniwala ng maraming fans na talagang naapektuhan ang kasalukuyang karera ni Zian dahil sa naging breakup nila ni Kim Chiu. Kahit sinabi na ng actor-director na hindi third party ang dahilan ng breakup. Ano naman ang masasabi mo dito? Ibahagi ang iyong komento.